In today's market, there's limited inventory, but I've got an exclusive for you. This new construction home community is coming soon. Hi, it's LisaB, your local neighborhood realtor, and I have got the inside scoop on an exclusive new construction community that's coming soon. The highly sought after
Curtis Building Company
are currently constructing this new community. Want to be the first to get information on new construction homes near you? Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. I'd love to hear what you're looking for in a new home. This new community is nestled at the end of Spring Street, located in the old village of downtown Plymouth.
Enjoy shopping and your favorite restaurants like the new Honey Hole. Gunsoley Mills Recreation Area and the Rouge River are located next to the community. Wilcox Lake and Park are just to the north.
There are only 23 single-family lots available, and the construction has already started.
Have you ever dreamed of designing your dream home? Do you need a home office, a kid's playroom, or even a larger kitchen? Curtis Building Company can work with you to customize a floor plan that's perfect for you. Are you ready to build your dream home?
Do you have questions about new construction? I can guide you through the process so that you too can be a Curtis homeowner.
Curtis Building Company has designed over 5,000 homes in Wayne and Oakland counties.
Want to be the next Curtis homeowner? Call today and let's talk about how we can design your next dream home.